we're going to install a combination arc fault breaker for a bedroom. These are a little different than a regular breaker. How you're going to install these is this is your neutral wire you're going to connect to your neutral bar. Then you're going to bring your neutral load from the room and you're going to connect it to your breaker in addition to your hot as normal, and that's going to connect the combination arc fault breaker. So a little different. On these you're going to connect your load neutral here and your hot here. Then the wires connected to your breaker you're going to put to your ground bar here. You have your strip gauge right there to show the depth of your strip, which would be right here. I use my Go-Go Gadget stripper. This will be my load neutral. Snug it and then torque it. And this will be our hot. Snug it, torque it. Okay, now we'll come in right here. Connect here. Then we take this little pigtail, gonna connect it to your ground bar, which can go right here. Snug it, torque it. There it is. Combination arc fault.